If you quit eating glucose, then your insulin levels aren't going to go up. If your insulin levels don't go up, then they're going to stay down. When they stay down, they cause you to burn your own fat for your energy source. That's how you lose fat. That's how you never run out of energy. That's how you start getting much more healthy, because it'll also burn the fat around your organs. Because most people, if you're obese, if you measure around the abdomen at the level of your belly button, if you take that measurement and you measure that in inches, and if that distance around your abdomen at the level of your belly button, if that is more than half your height, this is pretty indicative that you are already starting to store fat around your internal organs. So when you keep your insulin levels low, not only is your body burn the fat out of your fat cells, but it's going to be burn the fat out of your organs also. And in fact, it's probably going to do it there first, because you don't want fat around your organs. Your body does not want fat around its organs. It knows that's how it gets organ damage. So it's going to clear that first. Then it's going to start clearing the fat around your arms, your legs, your back, your neck, wherever you store your fat.